Cheers. What is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you don't know who I am, you're probably thinking, wow, this guy looks cool. And you would be correct. But today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to get Tinder Gold for free. Now, Tinder Gold is usually super expensive. Have to pay a monthly fee, and none of us wants to do that. So this method to get free Tinder Gold takes about 5 minutes. It's going to get you 1 month for completely free using a simple promo code. So let's get into it. Pick up your mobile phone and open up an internet browser, guys. And you need to go to this website. So type it how I'm going to be typing it. www.wavycoupons.com. Wavy Coupons. When you get to this home screen, you need to look for the Tinder Gold upgrade page. Now you can scroll down and look for the flame, like the red, like pinky flame, or you can go to the search bar and just type in Tinder, and there we go, Tinder free gold upgrade coupons. So as mentioned, this is a promo code that you can redeem in the app or on the Tinder website, and it's going to upgrade your existing account to either gold, plus, or platinum, depending which one you choose. So you can see I'm going to be selecting the gold. So this is a 1 month free Tinder Gold. So click on show coupon, and you need to unlock your personal Tinder Gold promo code, guys. These, of course, are worth some money. So Wavy Coupons prevents people from taking all of the available codes to resell. So you need to unlock your personal code. So click on the blue button that says unlock. Now I'm not going to do it, I've already got gold with very little success. However, once you basically click unlock code, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to get your code. You need to just verify yourself as a real person, and that only takes about 5 minutes. Just need to complete a couple of these free tasks, and that's going to get you your promo code, and you can redeem it for your free 1 month platinum, gold, or plus. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go to wavycoupons.com, guys. This is a method for 2024, guaranteed to work. So just make sure you follow through all of the instructions. And of course, smash that like button once you get your free gold. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy.